finally took the probe to the big car show. Left the house at 5:30 in the morning this morning. And actually, a lot of people loved it. I included the window sticker, and that was a real plus for everybody to enjoy it.
Okay, a lot more people are coming in.
Gotta fix those wheels. It's gotta fix those wheels too.
Oh man, it's still so early. It's 6:30 now. The sun's coming up. The Porsche lot's empty. The actual car show lot, people are still pulling in.
More people checking out the window sticker. It's like 7, a little after 7 now. And more cars are coming. What you doing in there? Are people liking it?
I guess so. Yeah.
Is that a Senna? Yep, a Senna.